Hi guys, this is Mahima and welcome back to my channel. हमने दुबई से बहुत shopping किया. This is the result. This is the result. We have quite a number of products that I picked out and we're just gonna try them on. I also tried like a local shampoo. So if that is something that you're interested, do not forget to full of makeup. पहले coming to this Sephora box. इसमें मुझे ये 3 minis free मिले हैं. These are minis of 2 mascaras from the Sephora collection itself. This is one mascara. This is the immediate supersized volume mascara. This claims to add like 180% extra volume and we are going to try this. Let's open it up. Okay. The wand is very thick. This reminds me of Better Than Sex mascara क्योंकि इसका bond भी काफ़ी thick है. The other mascara by Sephora is Big by Definition mascara. This is also cute. Like I like the packaging, the colors on this and on this. Like the coloring, the color range is super nice, very attractive. The Big by Definition mascara promises to give like 135% more volume to your lashes, and this is what the wand looks like. This is a skin gel and this is for cleansing and like toning your skin. This is very small though, does not have any perfume. That is good. I will try this when मेरा पूरा makeup हो जाएगा and उसके बाद let's remove the makeup using this. This is like a palm size but for a free product, amazing. These are super travel friendly, so if I like them I think I'm gonna keep these minis like in my travel bag. This is what like my bag consisted of. This was actually after I had to make a purchase and that is why I got the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and this is in 35N medium. So I really hope this is close to my skin क्योंकि वो पिछला वाला नहीं था. That was very light and that was like a sudden purchase. While this I might have like searched through all of the minis that were available. जितने भी थे उसमें से सबसे darkest लगा मुझे and very close to my skin tone. So yeah, as a concealer topper this would like work really well. I hope so. Let's give like a swatch here. Yeah, that is very close. Wow, okay, nice. The first thing I want to do is always a blusher, but in this trip I have not got myself a new blusher, so I'm going to use the Rare Beauty blush itself and this is in the shade Love. This is extremely pigmented. I'm going to do just one spot and I think that's enough. Whatever is left on the nose, like I like a slight hint of blush underneath like my entire makeup, and I like this. This is a color that's like a burnt orange effect to it. Not something that I would use on a daily basis, absolutely, but I like it. That seems nice. Let's do a little bit contour before like we dive into the real product. This one is from La Mer and this is like really nice toned contour shade. Let's just put like some on. You just want like a little camouflage for my double chin. मेरा double chin बहुत ज़्यादा आ गया है. You want a little here as well. I have developed like heat rashes and heat allergy to be precise, and it's not good. Like you can see there's a lot of small spots in here which make like my texture very uncomfortable. Snack break. काफ़ी टाइम से सोचा हुआ था कि मैं ये वाला प्रोडक्ट लूँगी, but it never happened. And now it happened. This is the Dior Backstage foundation and this has like a very skin-like finish. I was recommended the shade 2.5W. This was like for a good 200 dirhams, I guess. I'm not sure. I have the bill but I don't remember. This looks pretty. This is like a small bottle. This is not a purchase that I would generally make, but only because I was on a vacation and I was like, I need to get it. But somehow there's like a lot of spillage on the cap itself way before opening. So we have a lot of it on the back of my hand now. I didn't want to like lose out on the foundation that's on the nozzle because I literally paid so much. That actually just like melted into my skin tinted. And I love their nozzle though. It's very cute. That went on like butter, didn't it? I really like the skin tone also. It's very close, but it might oxidize one shade darker, so I'm okay with that. This was very like a smooth application. Definitely felt very luxurious when I was putting it on. I'm gonna take off the excess. I also got the Laura Mercier, but I got it in a mini size because I recently brought the Huda Beauty Cherry Blossom, and मतलब powders इतनी जल्दी ख़त्म होते ही नहीं हैं, so I just thought like why invest in a bigger one, might as well just get like this small one. So this was like a 95 dirham product. This is the shade Translucent Honey. This is supposed to be like the OG setting powder out there, and that's why we have bought it. I like the packaging. I like this because it makes it feel like so luxurious. We have like a sticker. Dispensing is definitely easier than the Huda Beauty one because that has like a very weird mesh in between which somehow spills the product like all over everywhere. This is what the color of the powder looks like. It's like a honey shade. It's a little tinted. Using my powder brush, I'm just going to layer it. Pretty good. That does make a difference. The application was like super smooth, and now that it's on my face we can see like a lot of texture happening around here, but regardless, not bad. Like there was not too much scent also to it. That is a plus point क्योंकि Huda Beauty में बहुत ज़्यादा scent है. There's like a lot of perfume in that one. Looks like I forgot the concealer, but हम अभी भी कर सकते हैं. Just not as much as I thought. Let's just put like a little tiny this much on some. With that just like merge into my skin. The shade match somehow is nice when I see the foundation and the concealer like this. That just gave like a very brightening effect. I bought this eyeshadow palette from a Mimosa outlet in the Wafi Mall in Dubai, and it seemed nice. This is like 50 dirhams. When we talk of costing, it was actually beautiful. That is why I picked it out. I like their packaging also. That's like so aesthetic. And 50 dirhams for a whole full-size eyeshadow palette is a steal. I just opened it up. Wow. Definitely comes with the protective layering. We have a mirror as well. I love doing that. When we talk of colors, they are absolutely beautiful and gorgeous. Like look at them. For 50 dirhams, look at those glitters, right? I'm gonna do like a basic pink eye sort of thing. Let's pick this one. The pigment is beautiful. It just beautifully glided on. अब हम इसमें से कौन सा कलर लगाएंगे? I want to do this shade, and this is known as lace. Do it with my finger. It's gonna take like a little. This is what it looks like. I just realized like there's no fallout. Like, there's nothing that fell out even though I did my eyeshadow after. And that's pretty good. I like what I got. This is so subtle. Pretty. It has like a reflective something that might not be coming on camera, but I love it. These are like probably the best 50 dirhams I spent in Dubai. Also, it has like a magnetic packaging, so the rest of the colors are also so beautiful. Let me swatch this one. contrast to the purple. See these two? Wow. And the pigmentation is also crazy. Like, look at the duochrome, man. We're now gonna try these mascaras from Sephora. I'm gonna do the size up on my right side and big by definition on my left one. That did bring like a lot of volume to my lashes. Trying out the second one. This has comparatively a much finer brush and is not as clumpy as this one, and this promises like 135% extra volume to your lashes, which I think is doing way better than this one because it's like a lot of lumps in there while this is so much finer. Also I like this wand better because this is so precise. वो वहीं पे hit कर रहा है जहाँ पे इसको करना चाहिए. If we talk about these two, this one is definitely the winner for me. I bought 2 lipsticks for myself and they are extremely long staying, so I'm only going to do like one right now and maybe like the other one next time because they were really expensive. What I'm going to try today is the Kat Von D lipstick, and this was maybe like 110 dirhams. I saw the saleswoman wearing this one and I asked her what are you wearing. The shade name is Jupiter's Eye 32. The body is very different than all the other lipsticks out there. Like the packaging has, इसमें थोड़ा पैसा लगाया गया है and it feels just so luxe. There is no branding whatsoever on this container though. It has a beautiful pull out. It smells so nice. It smells so nice. This is the swatch. And it'll dry up like really quick. Let's do like a very light lining to the lips. That feels so luxe on my skin, but somehow this is red and that's pink, so it did not match. The other lipstick I bought was a Fenty one, and this is like in a deep maroonish red shade, so that cannot be mixed. But altogether I love this lip. This is like a bold color that I would like to. I'm actually enjoying it. What is your favorite? Do let me know in the comments below. That's pretty much all that I got from Dubai. I'm very appreciative of my consumption of makeup because this is all like things that I definitely needed. I needed a good red lipstick. The Dior foundation actually came out really nice and like very close to my skin, so I'm very happy. And so did my concealer from Shape Tape Dark. And I even loved the powder. Like there's nothing that I did not like in today's in today's try on. The lips just like feel so comfortable and they feel natural. Like that could be my natural lip color. Like obviously not as bright as this, but yeah, see, it doesn't differentiate a lot on the inside. But yeah, I love my pink eyeshadow, the dual chrome in that. And I'll see you next time.